After all my side hustles recently, deserve ko naman siguro mag-me time, no? That's why I'm rewarding myself a little extra today and visited Maria Felisa Beauty Lounge located at Plaza Burgos, Guagua, Pampanga. I can't recall pero I think 5th time ko na dito. And since holiday is approaching, very timely dahil napakadami nilang promos and discounts. Isa na nga dito ang kanilang diode laser hair removal treatment. 350 to 800 pesos lang per session. Pwede ka rin mag-avail ng package of 10 para may freebies kang 2 sessions. Tinry ko rin itong kanilang hypo slimming treatment for the first time. Non-invasive ang treatment na to at marami ring benefits. Isa na nga rito ay ang nakakapagpatay tensyon ng Meron din silang bagong ino-offer na facial service which is Hydra Facial. Perfect to for all skin types dahil gentle lang siya sa skin. Nakaka-moisturize and nakaka-hydrates plus it exfoliates the skin. Nakaka-lessen din ito ng hyperpigmentation and large pores. Nakaka-reduce din ito ng fine lines and wrinkles. Nalelesen din nito ang signs of aging and ang elasticity ng skin. And since naka-promo din ang Glutadrip nila, I took the chance kasi 1,000 pesos na lang ang per session nila. Ang bongga, diba? Kaya naman, sign mo na to para mag-pamper ka na rin at mag-visit ka na rito dahil open sila from Mondays to Sundays, 9 AM to 7 PM. Yun lang.